Welcome to another useful video. Today we're going to be unboxing the Kospet Hope 4G. This is the world's first phone with 3 gigs of RAM and 32 gigabytes of storage space. It has a quad-core processor and it just got here. So we're going to open this up and see what's inside. This is from a new company. It's Kospet. They're out of China and they're using the MediaTek quad-core processor in here. And this is the box here. It says that it's a SmartWatch phone, and the reason it says that is because this phone has a SIM card slot, a nano SIM card slot, that allows you to get a 4G LTE connection here in the United States. There's the information there, and we're going to start opening it up. So it comes in a pretty nice box. Has Kospet on there. As you can see, the watch is in here now. And when opening the watch, it's in kind of like a plastic film, wrapped up. And here's the watch. It does come with a screen protector. And it has what's really unique to Kospet, which is their ceramic bezel. They really talk a lot about how it really beautifies the watch and makes it look a lot better. It does have a heart rate sensor monitor right there, a speaker here, a 2-prong charging port there, and get this, an 8-megapixel camera, guys. So really cool stuff in this watch. What else is in the box? Looks like kind of like a plastic holder, which we're going to remove. Another screen protector. This is probably the charging cable. We'll see what it is. What all is in here. Yes, it is the magnetic charging cable here. That's all that's in there. And finally, you have the booklet here. And this will connect to the WeWatch 2 app. And there you can see some of the specs for the phone. And this is just the quick unboxing. I'm going to make another video to show you guys how this actually works and operates. So stay tuned for that. And this was the quick unboxing of the Kospet Hope 4G. Take care and thanks for watching.